This morning, another coronavirus vaccine may be one step closer. Moderna is asking the FDA for emergency use authorization. This as a record number of people were hospitalized for the virus over the holiday weekend. ABC's Andrea Fujihi has more from New York.
Today, another vaccine breakthrough. Moderna says with a 94% efficacy rate, it is filing for emergency use authorization. It is the second company to offer a vaccine, behind Pfizer, that is also seeking emergency use authorization. And unlike Pfizer's vaccine that requires specialized freezer storage, Moderna's vaccine can be stored in regular freezers for 6 months and refrigerator for 30 days. This as a record number of people were hospitalized over the weekend for COVID-19 in the U.S., over 93,000. And more than 130,000 people testing positive Sunday. But the COVID tracking project warns those numbers may not reflect all the cases, since the Thanksgiving holiday may delay some results. During the holiday travel period, the TSA screened more than 8 million people at U.S. airports, and health experts are worried.
2 or 3 weeks down the line, we may see a surge upon a surge.
Each case, every death, affecting so many families. With rising case numbers across the country, tighter restrictions being put in place in some areas. LA County reporting more than 5,000 cases yesterday, and starting there today, they'll begin a 3-week stay-at-home order.
Still have to, go out and get the things we need, but stay at home as much as we can.
But some good news for New York City parents. Mayor Bill de Blasio announcing most elementary schools will reopen next week after being closed for nearly 2 weeks. And testing will be required every week in order for kids to return.
As for Pfizer's vaccine, while doctors can't administer it yet, sources tell ABC News that United Airlines has started shipping it through charter flights to get the vaccine in place for distribution for when Pfizer does get that emergency use approval from the FDA. Andrea Fujihi, ABC News, New York.